Tired of staring at that unassembled bookshelf and wishing someone would just do it? Well, what if that someone could be you, earning money on your own schedule? Let's dive into how to become a tasker on Taskrabbit. First, head over to Taskrabbit's website and find the Become a Tasker option, usually located at the bottom of the page or in the main menu. Give it a click. You'll be directed to the application form where you'll need to provide some basic information, including your name, contact details, and the location where you want to offer your services be accurate, as this information is crucial for getting matched with the right tasks. Next, it's time to choose your skills. Browse through the available task categories, from handyman work and moving help to cleaning and personal assistance, and select the ones you're proficient in and enjoy doing. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you will have to earn. Now comes the background check. Taskrabbit requires all taskers to pass a background check to ensure safety and build trust within the community. This process usually involves providing your social security number and consenting to a criminal record check. Don't worry, it's a standard procedure. If your application and background check are successful, you'll be invited to an onboarding session. This might be online or in person, and it covers the platform's policies, best practices, and how to use the Taskrabbit app. Make sure to attend and learn everything you can. Congratulations! You're now a tasker. You can start browsing available tasks in your area, set your rates, and accept jobs that fit your skills and schedule. Remember to provide excellent service to build a positive reputation and get those 5-star ratings now. Go out there and start tasking.